Hey everyone, this Faceless YouTube channel has made over $50,000 by posting mystery documentary videos. If you look closer, you'll see they get millions of views on each video and are trending a lot. This niche has a lot of potential, and they've gained over 60 million views in total. We have some work to do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start your own YouTube automation channel using this method. If you watch until the end, you'll learn everything you need to know to start your own YouTube automation business. We will go through writing scripts, creating voiceovers, generating images with AI, editing, and more. By the end, you'll be a YouTube automation expert. To prove it, here's a quick clip of a video I made during this course you're about to watch.
On November 24th, 1971, in the afternoon hours, a scene unfolded at Portland International Airport that would capture the imagination of the world for decades to come. Amidst the hustle and bustle of travelers and airport staff, a seemingly ordinary middle-aged man arrived carrying a briefcase. Little did anyone know, this man, who would later identify himself as Dan Cooper.
And for those who watch until the end, I have a bonus tip that will help you get extra views and earn some additional income from day one. So make sure to stay tuned until the end. I will provide all the links in the description. You can easily access them. Let's go. Now, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I believe you will also start making money online with AI tools. Also, your one subscription will help you to learn more things and grow. So please subscribe and like this video. Okay, so first thing first, we need a script. You can generate your script with two methods. I will show you both. Whichever you find better, you can use that. Method 1. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some video topic ideas, mentioning that your channel is about mystery stories. Remember, you can find all these prompts in the description section. You can select any one of the topics and then ask ChatGPT to give you a script for a YouTube video. You can copy-paste prompt from description. As you can see, it starts generating the full script. Method 2. For this, you simply need to open incognito mode and go to youtube.com. Then, in the search box, type Mysteries Flight Stories. And as you can see, it starts suggesting some video topics for you. Select any one of these and it will show you many videos from which you can take ideas and make your own video. So guys, I found this video and I want to make my video on this topic. So first, I will simply copy the link of this video and go to youtubetranscript.com and paste the video link here. As you can see, it has given me a full video transcript. Now I will copy the entire transcript and come back to ChatGPT. First, I will give this prompt to ChatGPT and paste my transcript. It will clear all the mistakes in the transcript. Then, I will ask ChatGPT to paraphrase this transcript and make it unique content to use. Finally, I will paste my transcript here and press enter. Guys, you can find all prompts in the description. ChatGPT will generate a script which you can use for your video. Now simply copy this script and paste it somewhere. Now that we have the script, we need to generate a voiceover. Go to 11labs.io, click on Voices, and then click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Next, go to the Voice Library and apply the filters to find the voice you want. I will apply these filters, and as you can see, there are many voice characters to choose from. Simply find the voice you like, add it, and then go back to the speech page. Select the character, paste your script, generate the voiceover, and download it. Now that we have our script and voiceover, we only need some visuals. To generate these, I will be using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. First, look at your script. Since it's a long paragraph, I can generate at least 8 visuals for this. You can decide how many visuals you want for each particular scene. If you've watched till here, I have a bonus tip for you. Always keep your visuals between 3 to 5 seconds to increase engagement and make your video more interesting. Now go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 8 image prompts for your scene. As you can see, it has given me 8 image prompt ideas. Now we need to generate these images and convert them into videos. To do this, we need to go to Leonardo AI. You can find a link in the description. After logging into Leonardo AI, click on Image Generation. Then paste your image prompts and set the size to 16.9. Now click on Advanced, then click on Models, and select Leonardo Lightning XL as it generates good quality images. After generating your images, click on Generate Motion Video, set the motion strength to 3, and then click on Generate. As you can see, it has added motion to the image, and I can use this in my video. Using this method, you need to generate images for each scene. After generating visuals for each scene, we need to bring everything together. We will need a video editor for this. You can use any video editor you like, but I prefer CapCut as it is easy to use and has good effects and features. You can download it from the description. Now, I will do the editing using CapCut. If you want CapCut Pro for free, you can sign in using my link in the bio. First, I added my voiceover, then I added all the visuals. I also added background music, and you can add your logo as I did. Finally, generate the captions and export the video. Done. You have your first video ready. If you want to watch the full video, I will leave the link to the channel in the description. As I said at the beginning, I will share a secret trick with you if you watch till the end. So guys, we have our video ready. Now we need to upload it on YouTube and write a title, description, and tags so that the YouTube algorithm can understand our video and push it to the right audience. First, go to the original video and copy the title. Then, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a similar YouTube title. As you can see, it has generated some titles. Choose one you like. Now, copy your full script and ask ChatGPT to generate a description for your video. Now you have the title and description. You only need to write tags. For that, you need to install the vidIQ extension. I will leave a link in the description. Then, go to the original video, scroll down, and you can find all the tags used in this video. Simply copy and paste them into your video. Now, the most important thing, you will not start gaining views from your first video. YouTube is a long-term game. You need to upload at least 3 to 4 videos and shorts per week. With consistency, keep uploading videos for at least 2 to 4 months, and you will start gaining subscribers and views. I hope this video helps you make money with YouTube using AI. If you find this video helpful, please like it, so YouTube can recommend it to more people like you. Also, subscribe for more videos that will help you make a side income online using AI. If you have any suggestions or questions, you can share them in the comments section, and I will reply to each of you. See you next time.